everyone, welcome to today's vlog. Today we're going to do a quick Qigong routine to help you heal your back pain. Qigong movements can help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote healing of tissues. Regular practice can also improve flexibility, release tension and stress in muscles, and improve posture. By promoting relaxation, deep breathing, and mindfulness, Qigong can help reduce stress, a common contributor to back pain. Overall, Qigong offers a holistic approach to managing back pain, addressing physical, mental, and emotional factors that can contribute to the condition. So, if you're ready, just find a comfortable space and let's begin. Let's begin by standing in our Chuang. Feet are shoulder-width apart. Feet are grounded with 10% tension. Knees are released, sacrum dropping towards the earth. And as you inhale, feel your spine connecting to heaven through your crown point. And now begin to put your hands in the lower dantian. The lower dantian is known to hold our life source. By connecting to this area in the beginning of our practice, we allow energy to flow. So let's just stay here for a few moments before we begin our dynamic Qigong exercises. Now let's begin our first dynamic Qigong exercise by tilting our head and hips forward and then tilting it back. This Qigong exercise is from the Meridian Qigong system. This helps us release any tension in the spine through a gentle expansion and contraction. Inhale as you tilt back. Exhale as you tilt forward. So you're tilting your head and your hips simultaneously together, feeling a gentle massage to the spine. And just feeling that free flow of energy. Let's finish at least 2 more rounds. And let's come back and meet in our Zhang. The next exercise is from the 8 trigram Qigong exercise called Dragon Back. Start to slowly sink down and then wave up and forward with your entire body. As you wave, feel the energy from your feet to your ankles, to your knees, to your pelvis, to your ribs, and then to your chest. And then sink back down. This gentle wave-like motion of the body feels like a gentle massage to the spine. And it allows a smoother flow of energy. Let's do this for 3 or a couple more rounds. The next exercise is from the Meridian Qigong system called 2 hands holding the kidneys. Lift your hands up to shoulder level, then flip it up, pushing all the way up, stretching your entire body as you look up into your hand. Start to bend forward, all the way down. Relax your body as you hold the opposite elbows with your opposite hands. And then slowly release as you slowly rise back up 1 vertebra at a time, brushing your hands to your legs. Now put your hands in your lower back and bend backwards. Slowly rising back up, and then we repeat. Lifting your hands, flip it up, stretching all the way up, feeling the stretch in your spine. Look up in your hands, bend forward. Just as far as you can, and then hold your elbows, allowing your head to fall heavy to the ground. Release and rise back up, brushing your hands to your legs. Put your hands on your lower back and bend backwards, engaging your glutes. And release. Let's do 2 more rounds. Inhale Flip your hands up. Extend and look up into your hands. Bend forward. Exhale. Hold your opposite elbows. Inhale as you rise back up, brushing your hands to your leg. Rising up. Put your hands on your lower back. As you exhale. And release. Last round. Lift your hands. Flip it up. Stretching all the way up and then bend forward. Releasing down to the earth. Hold the opposite elbows. Knees are slightly bent and then rise back up. Put your hands in your lower back and bend backwards. And release. Go back to your Tantong. And now we will close as you circle up, rising up. Push down to the center line of your body. Again, lift your arms, circle up, rising up. Push down to the center line of your body. One last, circling up. And release down. Now put your hands on the side and just relax. And then we can open to our Wuji stance. As you inhale, feel the energy in your lower dantian expand. As you exhale, feel it in the center of your palms. At the same time, start to listen to your body. See and feel how much your spine has loosened up, released any tension. Now finish your final breath in this stance. Again, as you inhale, feel the energy in your lower dantian expand. As you exhale, feel it in the center of your palms. And put your hands in the lower dantian. Connecting again to our life source. And this time, we will begin to pack our chi. As you inhale, feel the energy in your lower dantian expand. And as you exhale, feel it condense into a pink-colored pearl in your lower dantian. Do this for a few more rounds in your own pace. Again, as you inhale, feel the energy in your lower dantian expand. And as you exhale, feel it condense into a pink-colored pearl. And now just go back to your normal breathing, releasing any control to your breath, allowing your breath to come when it comes. Now, feel free to stay here in this moment for as long as you want, but if you're ready to end this practice with me, just follow. Start to become aware of your surroundings. Feel any sensation in your skin. Recognize the sounds around you. Become aware of the taste of your tongue, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you, and I hope that this Qigong routine has helped your spine feel better and stronger. See you again next time. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it has helped you open up your body and find your flow throughout the day. If it helped, please do me a favor and click the like button below. In this way, you will let us know that you like these kinds of content, and you will help us create more contents like this for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment them in the comments section below. And we try our best to answer them as fast as we can, and we also answer them personally. If you haven't subscribed or clicked the notification bell, please do so. We upload 1 or 2 videos per week, and if you don't subscribe or click the notification bell, you might miss it. Thank you, and see you again next time.